a developing story from Hong Kong, where a cargo plane veered off the runway and plunged into the sea while landing at Hong Kong International Airport on Monday, October 20, 2025. According to officials, the aircraft struck a ground service vehicle during the incident, pushing the vehicle and its 2 crew members into the water. Both workers were later confirmed dead. An officer from the Hong Kong Fire Services Department stated that the cargo aircraft, arriving from Dubai, collided with a petrol car upon landing, resulting in this tragic outcome. Authorities confirmed that all 4 flight crew members managed to escape the accident unharmed. Sources say the incident has raised significant concerns about airport safety and crisis response protocols at one of Asia's busiest airports. As the investigation continues, leaders and analysts are watching closely to see what steps will be taken to prevent future incidents. All details are presented without independent confirmation as updates continue to emerge from Hong Kong.
Deepest condolence. We will provide the family with all necessary support and assistance. The south and center runway are operational. We do not expect any impact to today's operation. According to information we have at that moment, weather and the runway conditions were safe and meet all conditions for runway operation. An investigation is continuing. The left runway remains closed. It will be reopened after the safety assessment.
大家會睇得到整個飛機其實係完全係入咗海裏面，咁亦都係有一個嘅大嘅我哋叫滑梯就彈咗出嚟。咁一陣消防會最進一步係交代嗰個拯救。
點都唔會轉出去海嗰邊嘅。飛機就算點滑行，我哋有啲叫滑行道，係有固定嘅位置，喺呢個飛行區有固定嘅標示，係指令或者街住啲飛機係點樣出去嘅。呢個唔係一個正常嘅路線。